What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the color of your hydrangeas. First thing you need to do is identify what kind of hydrangea you have. This is super important because only big leaf hydrangeas can change color. So if you have a limelight hydrangea, you won't be able to change the color of your flower. And just in case you never seen big leaf or limelight hydrangeas, this is how big leaf hydrangeas look. And this is how limelight hydrangeas look. So how do you change the color of your hydrangeas? You can change the color of your hydrangeas by changing the pH of your soil. Your hydrangeas will bloom blue or purple if your soil is super acidic. But if you planted your hydrangeas in alkaline soil, the blooms will be red or pink. The cool thing about hydrangeas is that you can keep changing the colors every season, or you can have pink and red hydrangeas in this section of your garden and blue and purple hydrangeas in this section of your garden. So I know your next question is, how do I change the pH of my soil? There are several ways you can change the pH of your soil. You can buy products from the store like soil acidifier or garden lime. Soil acidifier helps lower the pH of your soil, and garden lime helps raise the pH of your soil. Or you can change the pH of your soil like us, which is the best way in my opinion because it's free. We change the pH of our soil by using used coffee grounds and citrus peels. And if you don't drink coffee, no worries. You can easily pull up at any place that sells coffee and ask them, can you have their used coffee grounds? And they will give them to you for free. Coffee grounds and citrus peels are super acidic, so they help lower the pH of our soil. We also mulch our hydrangeas with pine straw, and pine straw is also super acidic. You can raise the pH of your soil for free by adding baking soda or eggshells. So if you want pink or red hydrangeas, add baking soda and eggshells. If you want blue and purple hydrangeas, add citrus peels and coffee grounds. So how long does it take for your hydrangeas to change color? 1 month, 1 season, or 1 year? This hydrangea was pink July 7th, and on October 8th, the flowers were blue and purple. So if you want blue and purple hydrangeas this year, or blurple hydrangeas, you should start adding used coffee grounds and citrus peels to the base of your hydrangea plant right now. So all you have to do is take your coffee grounds, put them right at the base of your plant, and it's that simple. But if you want pink and red hydrangeas this year, you should start adding baking soda or eggshells to the base of your hydrangea plant right now. So doesn't this make you wonder, if hydrangeas change color due to acidic or alkaline soil, what happens to our body when we drink acidic or alkaline water? I don't know.